Hello friends, welcome to VapariFarms. This is our garden update on what we have been growing in our basement grow station. Today is April 4th. We started the first set of seeds sometime in early March, and as you can see we have great progress with our and success with our seeds, and the growth has been amazing. We have started with our second set of seeds this week, and these are basically the seeds like nasturtium, anything with beans, anything with new kind of eggplants, the plants which didn't grow from our last seeds propagation, whatever didn't work, we have our second set of seeds sown to see if that would work. We don't have a heat mat, but the grow lights have been amazing, helping them to grow strong and healthy. And if you're looking for the right kind of grow lights, please look at the description. And if you're looking for good seeds, what seeds we have been used here, look at the description for more details on where you can buy these. These are all homegrown seeds from our last years. And the Mission Giant, if you could see this entire tray is Mission Giant Marigold, and I would expect that more than 90% of the seeds has been successful here. And all the jalapenos, the zucchinis, the tomatoes, the early bird tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, the beefsteaks tomatoes. We have okras. We have quite a lot of Indian vegetables that we have planted this year. So more to come and more updates. Any questions, feel free to comment us below so we can help you guys.